Sheehy.
And I'm Joana Castañeda.
And we have an organization called Semillas. And the goal of Semillas is to unite immigrant families from our rural communities so that they can be agents of cultural, economic, and educational change. And we're asking for contributions to help provide healthy food for these families in Butte, Glenn, and Tehama counties.
Many members of this immigrant community work in essential jobs in the restaurant industry, in-home health care, the agricultural sector, farming jobs, processing plants, and as a result, they are exposing themselves to more of the public, and therefore their rate of exposure to COVID is great. As a matter of fact, Latinos make up about 40% of the California population, but they make up 57% of COVID cases in California.
And many of these jobs are low paying, where people are living paycheck to paycheck. And the decision to stay home when they're feeling sick is very difficult, because to lose a day or two or several of work means not being able to pay the rent, means not being able to pay for a meal or to keep the electricity on. And so we want to make this decision a little bit easier for someone to stay home when they feel sick or when they have a family member who's sick. And this will make all of our communities much safer.
And so we're asking for any size contribution in order to help us launch our event. We'd like to distribute bags of non-perishable food items to these families in order to ease their financial burdens during this very difficult time. We'd like to thank you in advance for your contribution. Thank you.
Thank you very much.